You wish, maybe?
This is amazing footage.
Beautiful. That's a big one over there. Oh, it's got the baby next to it. See, Dave? The one by the thing over there.
Uh-huh.
Huge. Oh, you must be looking for something over there.
This is so fat.
It's mint. Remember when mint was in? Now it's fat.
That was only a New York thing.
Yeah, it's true. They never did really make it here. A little bit, a tiny, tiny bit. I'd like to know how much. Oh, see, but they throw the grass down too. See, because I was going to say they don't have enough to eat from this grass, but they throw it down.
Those people in that Hummer flew by all the cool shit.